that sweet spot where sportiness meets efficiency. That's exactly what Honda is chasing with the 2026 CR-Z. This new generation isn't just reviving a name, it's redefining what a hybrid coupe can feel like. The first thing you notice is its bold, aggressive design. Sculpted body panels give it a dynamic presence, while sharp LED headlights and a wide grille make it look confident and assertive. Step inside, and the cockpit feels modern and driver-focused. High-quality materials, a digital instrument cluster, and comfortable, well-bolstered seats make it both practical and sporty. You feel planted in the seat during spirited driving, yet it's still comfortable for daily use. Under the hood, the CR-Z combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor. Together they produce around 200 horsepower, giving the car lively performance without being impractical. Torque is strong, especially in the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Time is about 6.2 seconds. The transmission options include a 6-speed manual for enthusiasts and a CVT for convenience. The manual provides real engagement, making driving more fun. While the CVT is smooth for everyday use, the hybrid system helps with efficiency through regenerative braking and electric motor assistance. But unlike many hybrids, it still feels connected and engaging. The chassis is agile, with precise steering and a suspension that balances firmness with comfort. Braking is reliable, combining regenerative assist with strong mechanical brakes. Inside technology and safety are modern, with driver assistance features and an updated infotainment system. The CR-Z is unique because it doesn't compromise driving enjoyment for efficiency. It's sporty, fun, and practical all at once. Running costs are reasonable, though the hybrid system is more complex than a standard gasoline car. While it won't outperform high-end sports cars, it offers a balanced, enjoyable driving experience. In short, the 2026 Honda CR-Z is a bold, thoughtful revival, a hybrid coupe that's fun to drive, efficient, and stylish, appealing to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike.